Okay, hello. Today we are going to introduce our EV system for the electric bus. This is the 110 kilowatts, 350 Newton meter, 1200 IMP PMAC EV system. The first part, I'm going to introduce each components. Now we can see on our best testing bench. This is the dashboard, and this is the vehicle controller VCU, and this is the gear panel. And we also have the accelerator pedal. And over here, we can see the low voltage distributor. And also here, this is the motor controller. And besides the motor controller, we can see the integrated controller. And here is the liquid cooling system, and the radiator fan, and the electric liquid pump. And over here, we have the testing lead battery together with the weekend booster system. Over here, this is the drive motor. Okay, the name brand is over here. Okay, and this is all the orange wire is the high voltage wire, and all the black wire is the low voltage and communication wire. And we also have AC charger connector on vehicle. This is on a vehicle side. And later we will test with our 7 kilowatt AC charger. Okay, and I think that is all the components. Later we are going to do the drive test. Thank you.